Another warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. And guys, in today's video, I want to show you guys how we save money shopping very intentionally online through Amazon Fresh. Once I discovered this, I have never looked back. I hardly go to the grocery store, and the reason being, it's so easy to not stay on budget, especially for myself. Like, I always go to the store and I look around and I buy things that actually I didn't have them on budget. But since I started using Amazon Fresh, I'm able to stay on budget. Actually, this month of September has been like a zero spend month, which means we don't buy anything else other than groceries. So our grocery budget for this week was just $50. And here I have food items that just got delivered. And before I bought the food, I actually had my menu already prepared. Maya helps me with all this goodness here. She always put in the food that the menu of, food that we're going to be cooking for that week. But sometimes I come back home and the kids have erased it and put in pizza all the way to the bottom. Anyways, so here is our menu, and I use that menu to buy the food. Okay, so like on Monday, we are going to be having rice and beans. And here is my rice and beans, and I think this is going to be enough to cook maybe 2-3 meals. Okay, and then we have Taco Tuesday, so I got some corn tortillas and this is ground turkey. And I am telling you, the food on Amazon Fresh are actually in my opinion, they are way much more healthier than what I've seen at Walmart. So, and they are very affordable. Okay, so that goes my Taco Tuesday. And then we have mac and cheese for Wednesday. We have pizza. These were only going for $1 something. And then we're gonna have some chickpea curry with carrots and potatoes. And if you know me, I grow my own food, so I'm getting ready to harvest my potatoes, some carrots. So I'm going to be mixing that up and cook a delicious curry, and we're gonna have that with rice. Today is Saturday, and we are going to have some pita bread, probably with some ground meat on top of it, with some cheese. And personally, I would top mine with more stuff. Sunday, we're gonna be having a salad. So there's a lot of things. I have a cucumber here. I have some tomatoes in the garden, some onions, and so with some beans or like the chickpeas, and I'm gonna just mix that up together. Have the lettuce and make a healthy salad. I get my eggs for free from a friend at work. She has chickens and she gives me eggs for free. So that is going to be part of what we're going to eat tomorrow. So I am super excited actually to just get, cooking. And if you're not using Amazon Fresh, you might want to try it. It's only $4.99 for the subscription, but I can tell you it is a money saver. Okay, so I am excited to get started, but guys, I want to say thank you for always tuning in to our videos on Fridays, and keep coming. Started to cooking, guys, I wanted to talk to you really about naked roots planters. This planter is a game changer for your plants. This plant was dead. It was like only the root, and it's been only 2 weeks, and I'm getting a really beautiful leaf right there. And so guys, if you are a person who loves plants, you need this. And you can see that this is a breathing planter, and it has enabled this plant to actually just survive. Guys, go down to the description below, use the code Sharon20 and get your planter.
I can finally sleep well at night. With all the pressure that I feel and all the fiction that I wish was real. 'Cause I don't think I can take much more. Mediocrity won't soar, and all the success surrounding me I can't seem to ignore, and all the opportunities knocking on every